Thank you. So now let's go straight to the screen. Now this is the whiteboard, right? Now I want to be explaining demand and supply, very short, very quick. All right. So that's part of what we discussed last week. I believe that the one we did last week, I think we must have gone through it and understand what I actually explained. So firstly, I talk about consolidation. I talk about our price cycle, that what we have to understand about price, like what price can do. The first thing that price can do is that price can consolidate. That's the first thing. Second one is that price can expand. That's expansion. We have the retracements and we have the reversal. That's it. So that's the process. So when you know this one, you'll be able to wait for when you're going to be making entries for reversal. So we wait for reversal and we make entries from reversal. All right, now looking at this particular, let me explain for you now. If market is going like this, if you have market going like this is what we call consolidation, which means that is moving either uptrend or downtrend. Hello? Hope you can see what I'm explaining right now. Thank you. So
Yes.
the market is doing stuff like this, is consolidating, then this is the first thing that price can never do. So what you are going to be doing here is that you are not going to do anything. Neither you're not going to place any trades. You are going to be waiting for expansion. So expansion come in form of breakout. So price can come like this and go up and break out this consolidation. How are you with me now? So when price has broken out this structure, you are not yet to place any trade. You wait patiently for price to make reversal. To make retracements. And now what do you look for? When price expands, what do you look for? You look for your order block. So order block is basically where big guys are making entries. This is where they are placing their sell. This is where they are buying. So order block can usually, it's around this place. Don't worry, I will show you practically on the screen on the market, but just try to understand the theory. So this is order block, right? So the order block is where you're going to be waiting for to make entries. Now, this order block usually have imbalance. What do I mean by imbalance? Price imbalance is basically, when there is a gap between three candles. So if you have first candle here, let's say we have first candle with a wick, all right, and we have another candle here coming down, and we have another candle here, which has a wick. So we have three candles right here. So the difference between this wick and this wick is what we call the gap. This is the gap. So there is a gap between this first and the third. Then there's imbalance. There's price imbalance here. So which means that in the future, price is still coming back to fill up this imbalance. And this imbalance usually occur around that order block, where there's order block. So your order block for a buy sell for an option like this is a sell candle. So a sell to buy candle, all right, is order block when you are buying, which means the sell candle before you see a momentum bullish candle. Do you get the point now? So that is your order block. Don't worry, practically you are going to be going there. So now, after price has expanded, don't forget that when price expand like this, which means when price break out, you will look for your what? Order block and imbalance around this area. Then you now wait for price. Price will likely want to come back. We come back to revisit this order block. Then you now wait to buy from here. Then price is likely to go up and buy. Then you can take your profit here around this place. Then put your stop loss below this level. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. So now, when price consolidates, you wait for the price to expand, okay? And when price expands, you wait for price to retrace back to the other block where you have marked. So that's where you'll be waiting. That was where, if you can follow me in the group, you can see that I was indicating boxes. So the boxes where I was expecting price to come back to the other block and fill up the imbalance before going in our buy direction. Then we take our profit very close here. So don't forget about, I talk about that. The network is unstable again. Hello? I talked about that last week. I talked about the expansion as the first is what? Consolidation, followed by what? Expansion, retracement, then your reversal. This is your reversal. This is where you are going to be making entry. Now, without wasting much time, let's go straight to the let me share the screen with us so that let's go to the chart and let's see the practical example. All right. So I am now, can you see my screen right now? So let me load this up and say, and let's analyze together. Who is online?
Yes, I'm online.
Yeah, in fact, in your side there, you have very good network. I think others have left. The network has sent them out. I don't know. Yeah. Can you see the screen that I'm sharing?
Yes, there's something that is searching on the screen. Yes, I've seen the screen.
You can see the market. Okay, that's pretty fine. That's pretty fine. Yeah. So this is a practical example. Now let's go to where we see market consolidating. That's the first thing. Where we see, so now around this box, we see market consolidating here. All right. Can you see where I make my box? This box is where what? Market is what? Consolidating. All right. It's like we are coming back in 10 minutes time because we have exhausted our time with network. Now just grab this concept once and for all. Now in this particular, this is what we call consolidation. Then what do you wait for? You wait for breakout of from the box. Now this was the breakout happens here. You see that market broke out from this structure up to this level, right? Then this is your expansion. This is your expansion. Then from this expansion, what do you look for? You now look for your order block. So your order block is this buy candle, because we have a sell to buy candle. This is your buy candle. Then you now mark it and extend it like this. Very simple. This my order block. These are bullish candle before the drop of this bearish candle. That's my what? That's my order block. Then what I will do is that I'll wait for price to come back. So after price has come back to this order block, then I'll now start selling. Just imagine I'll have sold here, then I'll have put my entry here, my sell entry. This is my sell. I'll put my, my take profit can be here anyway, but just for me to risk a little, then my stop loss will just be above where the order block is, above this week. All right, then I'll have made a lot of money from this. So that's basically how the price cycle works. So anywhere you see consolidation, you will take note of it in the market. And now this is where you are going to, your take profit should be very close to where you see where the retracement started. So it started from here, started going up to this level. It mitigates the order block. And if you notice, now this is what I call imbalance. This imbalance here. This imbalance. Yes, let me zoom it very clearly. Now, this is the other block I was talking about. This is the other block I was talking about. This bullish candle. Now, this is the imbalance here. We have this 1, 2, 3. The first three candles, you see that there is a gap between this candle, the wick of this candle, and the wick of this candle. So there is an imbalance here. Now, let's say for instance now, which means that there is a price imbalance here, of course. Now, let us take example of a candle that has that has a balanced price. Now, for instance, now there is a balance here. You see that the candle between this one and this, they are close to each other. They touch each other. The wick and this wick, they touch each other, which means the price is balanced here. There is no imbalance. Now, let's say for instance, this, I think, yeah, the distance between these I want to check where there is balanced price, just so that you can differentiate between the imbalance and not balance. So anywhere there is imbalance, price tends to come back to refill it. So price has come back to fill it up here. Price fill the imbalance here. You can see. Then I will have sold and make my opportunity for sell here. Right, that's basically what you need to know. So anywhere I mark in the chart, I mark with box. That is where I have spot my order block. And also there is a potential imbalance that I'll be waiting for to make my entries. Okay, so that's what you have to understand when it comes to your analysis. So you can just try to be wait patiently for whenever price is consolidating, then you wait for price to break out. Then from there, you will get your order block, and from your order block, you wait for price to come back to your order block again. And now let's go to the one I took today. I took some today before my time. I have less than 15 minutes, or no, I have less than 5 minutes anyway, but it is possible we come back online because of the recordings. I have to save the recordings. All right. So can you see the screen right now? I want to change the time frame to 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. So that I want to be what I took today. Yes. Now, here, market was consolidating here. All right. So when market is consolidating, then what do you look for? Vitalis. When market consolidates, what do you look for? Hello? Are you still with me? So you will look for what? The expansion. After the expansion, then that's where the expansion will give you the order block. So now let's look where there is order block here. Now this is where the order block is the buy to sell candle. This is sell, rather. We have your buy trend, right? Then we look for the sell to buy candles. Then this is the sell to buy candle. This is the box. Then you just extend it here. So which means that this is the area you'll be expecting to buy. So you just wait for price to come back, to retrace back. So price retrace back. This was where I spotted in the morning that we should be waiting for to make our buy entry. So anyway, I missed the entry because I was not really with my phone like that, and to pick the trades. Then it is most likely that price is still coming back again to revisit this other block again. So when price gets here again, then we can do well to make our buy entry. You get the analysis now. So don't forget about what I discussed so far. I talk about the consolidation. All right. I talk about after the consolidation, you will look for the breakout, which is the expansion. Then you look for your order block. Your order block is your buy to sell or sell to buy. Depends on, like this one I did now is a
for retracement.
Yes. After the price has retraced, then you now pick your entry to the reversal. To the reversal, then you make your money like that. Do you get the point now? So I don't know if you have any question, though. I don't know, this network has I don't really prepare for this at all, because I was even thinking I would have much time to discuss and have lessons. But I don't know if you have questions, you can actually come back online to explain extensively again. So Vitalis, let me give you a chance to ask questions. Thank you. You have less than 2 minutes. Ask your question.
So reverse, I hope, is when there is change in trend.
What do you say?
I'm talking about reverse. I said that I hope reversal is when there is change in trend.
Thank you. Yes, thank you. Yes, basically that's the meaning. So now you see that market has been coming down like this. Then the reverse, the retracement is when we have a retracement coming down, which means market is retracing back to where it was before. Then the reversal is when it will change trend from downtrend to an uptrend. So this is basically, so you are correct. Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So I'm with you.
So we have less than 1 minute. I don't know what we can do within this 1 minute. Do you understand what I've explained so far?
Yes, sir. I understand what you explained.
All right. So now we are going to be making this thing very brief for me. Try to find your retracement on your chart. So you look for your consolidation, mark your order block, and just give me a very good setup. just like this, mark your retracement level, then give me where the other block is and where you want to be waiting to sell or to buy. Okay, so just look. It might not be this AUD/USD. You can go to any other pair like gold or any other one that you want to go to, or DBUSD, AUD. We have a lot of them. So try to analyze as I've done here and tell me where you are, where you want to be waiting. So where you want to be waiting is where you have your order block and your imbalance. Okay, so that is basically what I want you to do. And also, Vitalis, don't forget what we discussed about. Please be sincere. All right, so we will see ourselves again. I'll be sending these video recordings to those people that are not unable to meet up online. Then, if possible, I wish to have class with you again because I don't know why the network is going like this before we meet again next week. Thank you very much, Vitalis. So we'll meet again now, okay? So I'll be expecting your feedback.
Okay.
So you're welcome. Thank you very much. Good night.
Yes, sir. Bye.
Thank you.